In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix a duplicate web app project in Lovable.dev. Easy guide. Remixing in Lovable.dev is a quick way to create a safe duplicate of an existing project so you can experiment, prototype new features, or spin up a variant without touching the original. I'll show you two simple ways to do it, and you can pick whichever feels more natural to your workflow. First, let's start inside the project you want to copy. Open your project on Lovable.dev. Once you're on the project page, look for the menu and choose Settings. In the project section, you'll see an option labeled Remix Project. Clicking Remix begins the duplication process. You'll be prompted to update the project name so it's easy to tell your copy apart from the original. A clear naming convention, like adding Remix, a date, or a short purpose label will help you stay organized later. After you've edited the name, click Remix again to confirm. Lovable.dev will spin up your new project as a separate copy, leaving your original completely unchanged. Now, here's the second method, starting from the dashboard. From your current project, click Go to Dashboard to return to your workspace overview. Scroll down to where your projects are listed. When you find the one you want to duplicate, hover over it to reveal the Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots. Click those dots, then select Remix. Just like before, you'll be able to edit the project name. Choose something descriptive and unique, then click Remix to create the duplicate. Both methods achieve the same result, a fresh, independent copy that mirrors your original project's structure, so you can iterate confidently. This is especially handy when you want to test a new design, validate an integration, or prepare a demo without risking production stability. A few quick tips to make your remixing smoother. Choose names that clearly indicate purpose or environment. Avoid special characters that might create confusion in integrations. And keep your original and remixed projects visually distinct in your own documentation or notes. If your app relies on environment variables, third-party credentials, or webhooks, remember that a duplicate project may need its own configuration before you deploy or share it. Think of the remix as your creative sandbox, perfect for rapid experimentation while maintaining the safety of your working build. And that's it. You've seen both the in-project settings route and the dashboard shortcut, and you're ready to duplicate any Lovable.dev project in just a few clicks. Congratulations and happy building.